Welcome back, ladies and gents. Today I'm carrying on cleaning my rockery in this bed. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be digging up and dividing to get more plants, these beautiful geraniums. You see, next year's growth's already on them. So I'll just set it up, set the camera up. Won't be a minute. There we go. First of all, make sure you get into the root ball up as you can. I'll dig all the way around it. That's the one. Right. As you can see, a few little bits that I've left here. These can be potted up to smaller pots. What these tend to do, these geraniums, they tend to grow and the middle dies off, as you can see there. So every 3 or 4 years you need to dig up, divide and replant. So once you've got them dug up, sorry about this with the camera, there we go. And take your knife, find what you think is roughly the centre. If I had 2 hands for this. There you go. There we go. Nice clean cut. Right. You see each one of these will be planted. That light's been quite big. So you get a decent plant next year. All you do with that then is, as you normally do with any perennial, you put your compost, like so, blah blah blah, take your plant, get it in there, and chop it up, and give it a good water. Once that's done, put it to one side. Decide, if you're redoing your borders like me, then decide where they're all going to go in the early spring. So that's the geraniums. I have to dig up, divide and pot on. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, bye.